Many of us are constantly looking to improve our health and our body composition, but sometimes it's hard to have the explosive muscle growth we expect. We push through intense workouts, expecting results that just don't seem to come. But what if the answer lies beyond the weights and machines? Truth is, the right supplements can fuel your body in ways training alone can't. Today, we're exploring the best supplements to unlock explosive muscle gains, backed by science and trusted by athletes worldwide. Welcome to Levitas. Creatine is one of the most researched and effective supplements for muscle growth. It works by boosting the body's ability to produce ATP, the primary energy currency of our cells. ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, fuels muscle contractions, especially during short, high-intensity movements. By increasing ATP production, creatine enhances power, strength, and endurance, allowing you to push through those extra reps and recover faster. This ultimately leads to improved muscle growth. To take creatine, most people begin with a loading phase of 20 grams per day, divided into 4 to 5 doses for 5 to 7 days. After this, a daily maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams is ideal. For best results, take creatine post-workout with a source of high-quality carbohydrates to help absorption. With consistency, creatine can offer significant boosts in size, strength, and power, making it essential for those seeking explosive muscle growth. Essential amino acids, also known as EAAs, are the building blocks of protein and, crucially, muscle tissue. Our bodies need all 9 essential amino acids, like leucine, isoleucine, and valine, to repair and grow muscle. Leucine, in particular, plays a key role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis, which is the process that allows your body to build new muscle fibers. Unlike non-essential amino acids, EAAs cannot be produced by the body, meaning they must come from our diet or supplements. To see muscle growth benefits, taking 5 to 10 grams of essential amino acids around your workout, either before or after, is effective. This helps flood your muscles with the amino acids they need for repair and growth, improving recovery time and reducing muscle soreness. Regular supplementation with essential amino acids not only enhances muscle protein synthesis but also reduces muscle breakdown during intense workouts. By keeping a steady supply of these amino acids in your system, you give your muscles everything they need to grow explosively. Magnesium is a crucial mineral that plays a role in over 500 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle contractions and protein synthesis. For muscle growth, magnesium enhances ATP production and supports optimal muscle function by promoting better relaxation and contraction of muscle fibers, which is essential for recovery. Magnesium glycinate and magnesium citrate are 2 highly bioavailable forms of this mineral, making them ideal for supplementation. For best results, aim for at least 300 to 400 milligrams daily, ideally taken in the evening, as it also promotes restful sleep, which is also key for muscle recovery and growth. Betaine, or trimethylglycine, is a naturally occurring compound that supports muscle growth by enhancing hydration within muscle cells. When muscles are well hydrated, they function better and recover faster, allowing for increased endurance and strength. Betaine also helps to improve protein synthesis and reduce muscle breakdown, supporting overall muscle growth and repair. Betaine is commonly taken in dosages of 2.5 grams per day, either before a workout to improve performance or afterward to support recovery. Studies show that consistent supplementation can boost muscle endurance, power, and even body composition by reducing body fat while promoting lean muscle growth. If explosive gains are the goal, betaine can be a valuable addition to your supplement regimen, working behind the scenes to make each representative count. Nitric oxide boosters are a category of supplements designed to enhance blood flow to muscles during workouts. Nitric oxide is a naturally occurring molecule that relaxes and dilates blood vessels, improving circulation. When you boost nitric oxide levels, blood flow to your muscles increases, delivering more oxygen and nutrients precisely where they're needed. This can improve workout performance, enhance the pump during exercise, and accelerate recovery by reducing muscle fatigue. Popular nitric oxide boosters include L-arginine and L-citrulline. L-citrulline, in particular, is known for its effectiveness as it converts to L-arginine in the body, which then produces nitric oxide. A standard dosage of L-citrulline is 6 to 8 grams before your workout, while L-arginine is typically taken in 3 to 6 gram doses. These supplements can make a noticeable difference in how hard and long you can train, which ultimately contributes to explosive muscle growth. What are the effects of whey in muscle growth? Whey protein has a complete protein profile that contains all essential amino acids and is absorbed quickly, making it an ideal supplement. Whey protein directly supports muscle repair and growth by providing the body with the necessary amino acids for muscle protein synthesis. Consuming 20 to 30 grams of whey protein, specially mixed with a meal, can kickstart recovery, reduce muscle soreness, and stimulate muscle growth. Its quick absorption and amino acid profile make it one of the most effective and popular choices for building muscle mass, and it's particularly beneficial for anyone aiming for faster recovery and stronger muscles. What about collagen? Does it work? Collagen is often overlooked as a muscle-building supplement, but it plays a vital role in maintaining the health and function of connective tissues, including tendons, ligaments, joints, and skin. While collagen isn't typically associated with explosive muscle gains, it supports the structural integrity needed for muscle growth. Strong tendons and ligaments reduce the risk of injury and allow for more effective, powerful movements during training. Supplementing with 10 to 15 grams of collagen daily, ideally combined with vitamin C for better absorption and magnesium, can strengthen these connective tissues, making it easier to push yourself harder during workouts. Collagen peptides are very effective because they're highly absorbable and provide the amino acids for collagen synthesis. This massive support for your joints and connective tissues contributes indirectly but significantly to muscle growth by improving stability, resilience, and recovery. In conclusion, for those aiming for explosive muscle growth, a solid supplement plan can make all the difference, and these supplements each bring unique benefits that accelerate your results. Creatine is foundational, as it boosts ATP production, which fuels strength and endurance in workouts. With a loading phase of 20 grams daily followed by a maintenance dose, creatine offers significant improvements in power and size, making it ideal for anyone seeking peak performance. Essential amino acids, especially leucine, drive muscle protein synthesis, essential for muscle repair and growth, especially if taken around workouts in doses of 5 to 10 grams. Magnesium supports over 300 biochemical processes, including muscle contractions, and can enhance both performance and recovery, especially when taken in bioavailable forms like glycinate. Betaine improves hydration within muscle cells, fueling endurance and power while reducing muscle breakdown. Regular doses of 2.5 grams daily can offer lean muscle gains and improved body composition. Nitric oxide boosters like L-citrulline and L-arginine enhance blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to working muscles, which improves workout intensity and recovery. L-citrulline, taken in doses of 6 to 8 grams, effectively boosts nitric oxide production. Whey protein, taken post-workout, accelerates muscle repair and growth, thanks to its complete amino acid profile and quick absorption. Finally, collagen strengthens connective tissues, like tendons and ligaments, supporting muscle stability and resilience. With consistent use, these supplements create a powerful foundation for accelerated gains and sustained muscle growth, helping you achieve your fitness goals effectively. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.